Welcome to JH. LevAI claims to make digital marketing super easy by letting you create posts, manage customers, and build websites all in one place. It sounds like a dream, right? But before you hand over your credit card, let's see if LevAI is actually legit or just another shiny box of nothing. The first red flag is that they're playing hide and seek with their leadership. While some outside sources mention Blake Schroeder as CEO, the website keeps it quiet, listing a random enterprise address instead. Nothing says trustworthy tech company, like a CEO who's basically in witness protection. It feels less like a software firm and more like an MLM wearing a cheap AI costume. The second concern involves their actual AI tools. They offer My AI Social and My Web, but they conveniently forget to mention which AI actually powers them. Some features, like My AI Video, are still listed as coming soon, which is tech speak for we haven't actually built it yet. You're essentially paying for a mystery box where the mystery is whether the product even functions. Then there's the pay plan, which is a classic MLM setup. They've got multiple ranks, bonuses, and something called an infinity bonus, because apparently regular math wasn't ambitious enough for them. The line between being a member and a promoter is so blurry you'll need glasses just to find the exit. The system clearly encourages recruiting more promoters rather than finding actual customers, which starts to smell a lot like a pyramid scheme. To make matters worse, there are heavy restrictions on what you can actually do. Promoters can't even use the website tools to build third-party sites without getting approval first. Imagine buying a hammer but needing a permit from the hardware store every time you want to hit a nail. You're paying for tools that you don't even fully own or control. Finally, let's talk about quality. The AI-generated content can be low-grade or just recycled, and since the company won't disclose their platform, you can't verify if the information is even accurate. Honestly, with hidden ownership, vague technology, and a focus on recruitment, LevAI is waving more red flags than a parade in Moscow. If you're thinking about joining, do yourself a favor and do some actual homework first. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this reality check helpful, make sure to subscribe for more updates.